How to fix combustion pressure leak into cooling system for heavy-duty dump truck.
This is radiator where combustion pressure leakage is visible as a bubble when cap is open.
Have you ever seen bubbles in the radiator or coolant tank while the engine's running? That's not air, it's combustion gas escaping from the cylinder. Today, I'll show you how I diagnosed and identified this on a Nissan UD dump truck, from coolant system inspection to pinpoint out of the problem that caused of the issue, combustion pressure leak into coolant. What does combustion pressure really mean and how it occurs in the first place? Let's demystify primarily to clarify the process of combustion pressure and what relates it with cooling system. Before deep dive into this video, let me remind you to like, share, subscribe, and finally leave your comment to the video. Gasoline engines are common in light-duty vehicles like cars and SUVs because they are lighter and have a faster throttle response. Diesel engines are used in heavy-duty trucks and machinery due to their superior torque and fuel efficiency, compression pressure of 8 to 1 to 12 to 1 for gasoline cars, 14 to 1 to 23 to 1 ratio for diesel cars, and combustion pressure between 125 and 175 psi for gasoline engines and 400 psi and more for diesel engines causes high temperature inside the combustion chamber during compression, and power strokes leads to burning of gasket if not properly cooled by circulating water inside the cooling jacket. In this video I want to show the inspection processes and troubleshoot the problem following the next procedural ways. How do we decide the problem we have seen is combustion leakage into cooling system, and how to identify the cause of the problem? Let's proceed with analysis. 1. The symptoms observed on this heavy-duty dump truck were overheating beyond 90 degrees Celsius. 2. Bubbles or coolant overflow from radiator. 3. Engine misfire. 4. White smoke, coolant loss. When combustion pressure escapes into the cooling system, it usually means the head gasket is damaged, or the cylinder head/valve seat has a leak. Pressure leak equals failed gasket, cracked head, or worn valve seat. Diagnosis and testing. Let's see pressure test tools and explain step by step. 1. Radiator pressure tester. 2. Combustion leak detector, block tester, fluid turning color. 3. Compression test or leak down test. Mention observing bubbles while cranking. We confirm that cylinder compression is leaking into the coolant passage. Time to remove the cylinder head. If you find the same issue, follow along as I show you how to dismantle and fix it correctly. Dismantling step-by-step cylinder head removal. 1. Disconnect battery. 2. Drain coolant, remove radiator hose. 3. Remove intake, exhaust, injectors, rocker arm assembly. 4. Unbolt head in reverse torque sequence. Show labeling of parts for reassembly. Tools used: socket set, breaker bar, torque wrench, magnetic tray, zip lock labels. Always loosen head bolts in reverse order to avoid warping. We proceed with cleaning, disassembling, and further inspection of valve train mechanism in the next video. If you like the video, share to your friends, consider subscribing to my channel, and you will never miss the consecutive videos until we fix and drive test the car. Thank you for watching.